Box opening of a Samsung QLED 32-inch smart television, and if you want to look up more information, just type in Q60D and you got it. There we go. I'll tip this down for you so you can see me doing this. We got styrofoam all over the place, but here's a leg. Here's another leg. And over here we have the quick start manual and a remote control like that. So let's bring this down. On the box, you notice that? Okay. Take off the styrofoam. You're not going to be able to see me do this, but okay, that's good. Okay. Well, hit the lights. Okay, now here you have the TV set itself. Let's see if it's going to plunk down like that. Nope. Okay, let's just grab a hold of the TV set, or just grab it and wedge it out. Drop right out of this. The styrofoam at the bottom. And that's that. And bring it around. Take off the wrapper. We're going to keep it on its back. We don't want to scratch up anything. Set it over there. Get this protective covering over there out of the way. This is an old LAN plug-in, wire plug-in. This is where you plug in your TV set. You have 3 USBs, 2 USBs I mean, and 3 HDMIs right here on the edge. That's where you put your legs. It does have Bluetooth. I need this back. So first off, I'll just show you that you have your power plug-in AC plug goes right here. Black. Phillips head screwdriver. You can see what I'm doing here. I'll just use this candle box here and set the TV up on that. And I should be able to do this. It does have L there, and this is a left. So you're not going to make any mistakes anyway, so. Because it can only go in one way. Let's see why it's not sliding in. There it goes. Drop the screw down in there. So this is be easy to take back off again too, because I'm going to get a wall mount that is a swivel, so I can put it in any direction I want to. It's only a 32-inch. I have my living room TV, and I have my computer room TV, so not worried about that. Let's just take this back out. Put this over here. Okay. Drop this Phillips head screw in there. Tighten it down. No big deal, buddy. Yeah, that's good. Put it back up here. It's got rubber on the bottom so it doesn't slip around. So it's not going to go sliding. Unboxing of the Q60D, that's all you need to know.